Welcome everyone! Today we're cooking up the safety recipe together. Remember, the first rule of this recipe is teamwork. I can't do it alone, and neither can you. Only together we can make it happen. And who better than you, the MAIRE team, to tell me what ingredients we need? I'm all ears.
Prevention. Think safe, act safe.
Respect, the foundation of every significant interaction and relationship.
Accountability. No matter who you are or what you do, health and safety belongs to everyone.
Trust. Believe in yourself and in the others.
Protection to decrease the risk and arrange it properly.
Equality. Safety is a common language across all cultures because there is no diversity in it.
Feeding. Feed the safety culture around you.
Knowledge. Learn the rules. They are your best friends.
Vision. Go deeply in the motivation behind the rules.
Listening. Active behavior to ensure a safe environment.
Commitment. Actively engaged, just do it.
Caring. Take care of yourself, of myself, of everyone.
Thinking. Using your brain to ensure safety.
Continuity. Safety has no boundaries. It must always be present.
Safety equipment. Know them, use them.
Family. Our main target to come back home safely.
Make the right choices. Make an impact.
Now, let's see the result. Not bad, right? Just remember, at the heart of all these ingredients lies safety awareness and the full engagement of everyone. Our health and safety culture is a collective treasure. Let's nurture it together.